Are you getting your property ready for a new tenant? Before renting it out, you need to make sure it's safe and fit to be called home. Start with a thorough health and safety inspection. Common issues that must be addressed include sewage leaks, pest infestations, leaky roofs, broken door and window locks, faulty wiring, lack of hot water, and non-working appliances, including heat and AC if applicable. When your renter gets the keys to the property, provide a checklist to document each room's condition and keep a copy for your records. You should also budget for major expenses and unexpected repairs. Talk to your insurance provider about the right coverage for your property, especially if you have a pool or storage area. You can also require renter's insurance for personal liability and property damage, which usually covers losses from fire, smoke, theft, and some types of water damage, but not floods, which require separate coverage. If repairs are needed, the Texas Property Code requires you to fix any issues affecting health and safety promptly, usually within 7 days of your tenant notifying you. For non-urgent issues, your lease may specify a reasonable timeline. Examples include damaged appliances, leaky faucets, or broken ceiling fans. In Texas, extreme summer temperatures can pose health and safety risks to tenants. If your units have air conditioning, you are required by the Texas Property Code to keep it in working condition. However, not all repairs are your responsibility. If property damage exceeds normal wear and tear, your tenant is responsible. This can include damage caused by activities such as leaving windows and doors open or putting improper items into the sewage. By responding quickly and resolving issues, you maintain your property, lower legal risks, and foster a respectful relationship with your tenant, the key to a successful long-term rental. This video is for informational purposes and does not constitute legal advice. Consult with an attorney for advice on your specific situation. For more information, please visit our website at sa.gov/rental housing providers.